Gentlemen, welcome to the science of style. Yes, style is a science. It's not fluffy, it's not retail, it's not fashion, and I'm here to let you know exactly what it is for you. My name is Louise Edmonds and I am the founder of MenStylePower. It is a men's lifestyle platform now in its 12th year, and I'm one of the only female publishers of men's lifestyle content in Australia. I know that when it comes to style, you guys have not been taught. Is that insulting? So you're going to need some information about me so you can trust what I say. I'm a graduate of the Australian College of Professional Styling. I have written for Australian and international men's platforms and Barney's New York. So let's get started. Many people don't know that fashion and style are sworn enemies. It's exactly the same as your heart and head find it very difficult to reason with. So what is fashion? Fashion is a business. What is style? Style is the inner you. Style is the way you walk. It's the way you talk. It's the car you drive. It's where you live. It's your aspirations. It's your dreams. All of these things make up your personal style. But who has taught you to put them all together? If you walk into an art gallery and you see all of the beautiful artwork around you, that's fashion. But your personal style is your personal art collection. It's the pieces that resonate with you that you want to take home and put up on your wall. And if you've never paid attention to it before, I want you to do so from this week. Every week I'm going to come back to you and I'm going to speak to you about certain topics, items, and golden nuggets that are naturally in your life that you're not paying attention to, that is your personal style. And I cannot wait to take you on this journey.